subscribe to my channel. It's free to subscribe, and also press the bell icon.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be.
Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. This is me Farwa and today I'm here for another video which is called Holiday Makeup Look. Holiday, not holiday. Okay, look. I am in love with this eye look. Oh my god. And in this video, I've used all new products except for few, like obviously सारे तो नए products नहीं हो सकते ना, तो कुछ पुराने हैं. इतने भी पुराने नहीं हैं, like 1 or 2 months. So yeah, okay. So today's shout out goes to these many people. Well, I usually give 2 shout outs or 1, but today I'm going to give shout out to all of them who brought hashtag first squad. Look, if you also wanted to be featured in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that bell icon and write hashtag first squad in the comments down below, and you are also going to be featured in my next video. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get on to the video. So hi again. So I'm using this Miniso aloe vera balancing spray, and this just tones your skin, so I love it. And after applying, I'm gonna dab it on my skin a little, and then after that I'm going to use this Johnson's Baby Body Care as my face moisturizer. It works really well, so I'm going to blend it on my skin like this, like that. So after that I'm going to use this Vaseline Lipbalm. I really like it. So yeah, I like this is not that moisturizing, so I think for my makeup it's perfect. So now I'm going to use this Rivage UK Professional Primer. I really like it. This just minimizes your pores. It's not silicone-y, so I really love it. Okay, so I'm going to first apply it in a dotted form on my face, and then I'm going to just blend it with my finger. Now I'm going to use this Rivage UK Lasting Finish Foundation, and my shade number is 3. So I'm going to apply this. So first I'm going to apply this in a dotted form like this, dotted form, and then after obviously I'm going to blend it with a damp sponge. That's the thing you can do. Okay, if you guys are getting my voice a little low, so please ignore that. Okay. So now I'm going to use this Romantic Color Contour and Highlighter Palette. So the shade number is B, and I'm going to take this contour shade and gonna like apply it on my face, so that to give a little dimension to my face, give a little warmth to my face, because my face was looking so freaking white. Okay, and then I'm going to use this Rivage UK Waterproof Pancake, and my shade number is 1, and I'm going to just fix my face with it. Okay, like this, as you guys can see now. So after that I'm going to apply this Thala Me 95 Perfect Concealer, and my shade number is 103. So like this I'm going to apply the concealer on my eyes, the stick from there. I'm going to start it with the same powder by Rivage UK, the same Rivage UK Waterproof Pancake. And then after that I'm going to use the Sophia Asley 27 colors matte eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this orangey sort of a shade. I'm going to blend it on my crease. So next I'm going to take this light brown sort of shade, not light. After that I'm going to take this dark brown shade and applying it with a pencil brush in my inner and outer corner. And after that I'm going to use this Sophia Asley eye pencil, and the shade number is 3, and I'm going to apply this in the middle of my eyelid, so like that. And after that I'm going to use this Secret Eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this beautiful golden sort of shade. First look at, I'm going to just use this light pink, orange and a dark orange color, and I'm mixing them on and applying them on my crease. Okay, like this, to just blend the hard line. And now I'm cleaning them, and after cleaning them, okay, you can't see now I'm curling my lashes. And after curling my lashes, look, I'm just curling my lashes, okay. And now I'm going to use this romantic color dramatic definition mascara. I really like it, so yeah. Now I'm going to take this mermaidy kind of white color and I'm applying it into my inner corner and now it's time for my next eye. Oh wow, that was a magic. My next eye is already done. Okay, I'm going to use the concealer, the same concealer in my the liquid concealer, the liquid side of it in my under eyes. I'm going to blend it with a sponge, obviously. And then after that, I'm going to set the same thing with the powder. The thing is that I forgot my eye makeup, so I first did my face makeup. So sorry for that. So yeah. Anyways, everything is perfect. Okay. So I'm going to apply it like that, and now I'm going to use this Max Curl Contour and Highlight Palette, and I'm going to take this bronzy sort of a shade to give a little dimension to my face. And then I'm going to use this Mana Lip and Cheek Stain, and the shade is Cotton Candy, and I love it. I use this thing every single day. Yes, I use it every single day because I love it. It's like amazing. Thumbs up for it. So I'm going to apply it on my cheeks, both cheeks, and a little on nose because I love those flushed nose. And then after that I'm going to use this Focallure blush and highlight palette. Shade number is 2, means FA26, I think so. Yeah, like, oh my god, just look at the glow. Isn't it amazing? I just love it. I'm just dying for that glow. Oh my god. So I'm going to apply it on my normal areas where you usually apply these things, and then it's time for lower lash line. So taking this light and dark brown shade, mixing them, and going to apply them in my lower lash line. Yeah, to just balance the eye look. Well, my eye look was looking without the lash line good, but I think, yeah, it's a step, everybody do it, so I was like, I thought let me do it too. And after that I'm going to use this Glamorous Face white eye pencil, and it is just amazing. It's so creamy, it just glides on your eyes like amazing. It's super amazing literally. Next I'm taking this Huda Beauty lip liner, and the shade name is Remove. So sorry, I cannot tell you the shade name. Now I'm going to take this Medora lipstick, shade is Pink Berry, and I'm going to apply it only in my outer, in my both, like मैं दोनों को मतलब बाहरी और अंदर कोने में लगाऊंगी. Favorite lipstick, sorry इसका नाम remove हो चुका है, so cannot tell you the name. So yeah guys, that was it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, all you have to do is just give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, and if you're doing that, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget that bell icon. Go hit them fast. Do fast. If you're doing all the steps, why aren't you sharing my video and commenting? So yeah, bye bye, take care, stay blessed, and keep watching my videos. Bye.